First, make this tank pressurized. Then pressurize to 2.8 pressures. After pressurized, the machine is ready to do filling work. The machine encloses this feeding tube. The feeding tube with one valve. This tube should install on the pressure tank. Install the tube, and you can see there also a similar valve on the tank. Now, open the valve here. Test the filling capacity. The filling capacity should keep steady and avoid rushing. This valve can control the filling capacity. Adjusting like this is okay. Test finished, you can close the valve. Now, test to fill. If the filling capacity is too fast, making the liquid overflow, you can lower it. As you can see, the filling capacity is too fast, the liquid overflowed. Adjust it again in the same way. Two valves should adjust to a suitable filling capacity. Ensure the liquid would not overflow, and the tube here can absorb it.